Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy box. Look how pretty. I am a little bit sad that I missed out on the last one because I did the unicorn, I did the mermaid, I didn't do the gothographic, but I definitely wanted to partake in this one. And this one's a good mixture. It's a little different than what we've been seeing in the past several boxes where there's usually highlighters and eyelid toppers. So now this one is quite different. So let me show you what you get. You see you have 3 baked blushes. You also have 3 eyeshadow palettes. You have a watermelon lip scrub. This is a Photo Focus primer water spray. Hopefully you can use that as setting spray as well. You get 4 colors of lip gloss and 2 liners down here. First, I did also pick up one other item from this collection that wasn't in the box, and it's the Perfect Pout lip scrub in the orange. This was also a limited edition, and I just thought I would really enjoy it, so I picked it up. So let's see. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like a creamsicle. I'll try it out. Ooh, that's nice. And then the watermelon in the box. Oh my god, it's like super candy watermelon scent. It's so nice. Ooh, I like that. It's a really good scrub. And this was really inexpensive. I think this was only $3.99. So super, super affordable. I paid about $40 for the box and the lip scrub. But I'm going to jump right into some blush. As you can see, I have foundation on. I also did some highlighting, some contour, a little bit of bronzer. So everything's done. I definitely want to throw on some blush. So these are so pretty. I'm tempted to go in with this darker one, even though that's typically not my thing. I usually stay with lighter shades of blush, but it might be worth it. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched all 3 of the blushes, and they are really kind of like a metallic-ish kind of blush. They almost look like highlighters. The first one is this darkest one called Dare to Soar. That's on top. I'd love to see that on deeper skin tones. I think it would be really gorgeous. The next one is Hummingbird Hype, which is this middle one. It's harder to see, but it's really nice and cute. But it's like this golden kind of shade. Would also be a really cute highlighter on deeper skin tone again. So I like the variety in this box. Next is Don't Flutter Yourself, and I think this is the one I'm gonna put on. It's this pink shade right there. So let's go. I'm grabbing this Moda Pro brush. This is the BMX 130 pointed blush, and I'm going to dip into this. This is also cute for summer because of how much of a shine it has. I wouldn't want that year-round probably, but it is cute for now. I just did the Drunk Elephant Sukari Baby Facial last night, and oh my god, it in one use literally removed so much of the texture that I was experiencing. It's not even funny. So there you go. It's cute. I like that it's a softer pink. It's not like bam in your face, but if you wanted something more dramatic, this would be really pretty. On to the eyeshadow palettes. There are 3. The first one is called Stop Ruffling My Feathers, and these are the shades in it. It also tells you exactly transition, brow bone, crease, and eyelid. Let's swatch a couple of these. I'll swatch the crease and the eyelid shade. There's the crease, there's the eyelid. That crease shade is really pretty. Look at the pigment. This one is Hasta La Costa, baby. Hasta La Costa. I don't know. But again, transition, brow bone, crease, and eyelid. And look at this gorgeous shade. Ah, what? Wet n Wild is like, they're like, I'm here, bitch. Let's do crease again. Wow. I'm gonna just go ahead and swatch the transition because I haven't swatched a matte shade. That's not bad. It didn't swatch bad for a matte shade. Let's go ahead and swatch the brow bone shade. Nice little corner highlight too. I'm impressed. I think I'm really gonna like these. And then this last palette is called Flock Party. Let's go ahead and swatch this. And the crease. Cute. Now I'm torn because I saw that blue being swatched, so now I'm like, oh, do I want to wear that one? I initially thought I'd go in with this, so maybe we'll do that, and then, I don't know, maybe I'll pop that turquoisey shade under my lower lash line. I'm gonna first take my Morphe E23 and dip into the transition shade. It's been a while since I tried Wet n Wild eyeshadows. I feel like I just tried them a while ago and didn't feel like it really did it for me, but I do feel like they just continue to get better and better. It's amazing the products that they put out for such a low price. Okay, that blended super quick and easy. It's not complicated. So let's go ahead. I am going to take my Morphe E17 and I'm going to dip into that crease shade, which is a metallic. Now typically that's not always my go-to, but we're gonna give it a shot and just see what happens. How can you beat this for such a good price? This is by far already one of the most impressive boxes, and I think I like this one better than the other ones I've gotten in the past. So I think this is going to be my favorite box that I've gotten from them. Okay, blended pretty nicely. It looks good, no complaints at all. Okay, so let's try out that eyelid shade. I'm first gonna try it with a brush. I'll take the Morphe E13 and dip into this eyelid shade right there. Okay, a little soft on the application with a brush. So let's go ahead. I'm going to use my finger. And it's doing a little bit better with the finger, but I'm still not loving it. In the box, you have this Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. I love the packaging. And I'm actually going to use it to wet this brush. It has a really nice, like, wide, fine spray. So I had to get really close to that brush. And I'm just dipping into that eyelid shade. We're gonna see what happens. Definitely better, but just when I was like saying how amazing this shade is just kind of falling flat. I'm not mad at this.
My cat just found a tiny piece of plastic and ate it.
I'm just gonna try to intensify it a little bit. Ooh, there we go. That's good, looking a little bit better. I kind of like scraped off a little bit of the eyeshadow, and that's how I pulled up some of that shadow. All right, so it's looking pretty cute. I think I am gonna try out that turquoisey shade from the Hasta La Costa one, and I'm gonna use this little Morphe brush. It came in a set. Coated that brush.
Cute.
I'm gonna take this and sweep away. I saw a few little dots of fallout. I'm gonna go ahead and try out one of these metallic liquid liners. I'm gonna shake them both up and we are going to swatch them. I think I'm gonna use this gold looking shade. And I'm literally like throwing this on, so I think it's looking really good. Swatch the green and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that's really dark. This one is Winged and Wild. I'm lying, this one's just a liquid liner. So it's just like this dark hunter green. I actually really like that color. I'm probably not gonna use it today just with this look I have going. So let's try this one, and this is Gilded Wings. It would be really pretty to do some kind of a look using both of those too. But I think I'm just gonna try a little bit of this Gilded Wings, and let's see what happens. Little brush here is very soft. It almost needs to be a little bit stiffer. Color is pretty though.
Cute. It's cute. It's cute.
I'm gonna do the other eye and be right back. All right, I got my eyes on. I just threw a little bit of mascara on. I didn't want to do anything too crazy, but the gold liner is so pretty, and I think it just kind of pulled everything together. I absolutely love this look. So I think overall really good. I had a little bit of trouble with that one shade, but as you can see, I made it work. And for the price, you absolutely cannot beat this. This main palette that I used, the Flock Party, had that one shade that was a little weird. Everything else was pretty. Ooh, I didn't use the Brow Bone shade though. So I'm gonna dip into that Brow Bone shade and try it out. The last thing is the glosses, and I went ahead and swatched them for you. So the first one is Shut the Pluck Up. So cute. The next one is this deeper orangey kind of shade. It's called Pout of Paradise. Look at the pigment on that one. Really all of them, but wow. The next one is called Featherless. And then the last one is Fly Gal, which is this pink. I think this is the one I'm going to try today. And you have to see to the little design. So it's got little hummingbirds and flowers against that black and white. Really cute. I actually think I want a tad more color, so I'm going to dip into this Shut the Pluck Up as well. Alright, now we're going to use this primer water spray and just try it out as a setting spray. So, you know, why would we do it the way it's supposed to be done? Nice little light mist. I think everything looks really cute. This is definitely my favorite collection that's come in a box like this from Wet n Wild. I love it so much. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.